Today we are going to learn English grammar singular and plural nouns. Children, in previous class we have studied about noun. What are nouns? The names given to persons, places, animals and things are nouns. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Nouns that we can count are called countable nouns. Nouns that we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Now let's learn something more about nouns. Nouns can be one or many. Nouns that are one in a number are called singular nouns. Nouns that are more than one in number are called plural nouns. Children, when we write the plural form of a noun, we have to follow some rules. Let's learn them. Rule 1. We usually add s at the end of a noun to change it to its plural form. Example: pencil. One pencil, many pencils. Here we have to add the word yes to change the word pencil to its singular form to plural form. Pencils. One pencil, many pencils. See one more example. One bird, so many birds. Here we have added the letter S at the end of the word bird to make it singular to plural form. Rule 2. If a noun ends with O, S, SS, SH, CH or X, we add ES to make it plural. For example, lens, one lens, many lenses. The word lens end with the letter S. So make it to plural forms. We add ES at the end. Next, class. One class, many classes. Here the word class end with SS. So make it to plural form. We add ES at the end. Brush. One brush, many brushes. Here brush ends with SH. So we add ES to make it plural. Next. One watch, many watches. Children, see, here watch ends with letter C and H. So, to make plural form, we add ES at the end. Fox. Here, the word fox ends with X. So, we add ES at the end to make it plural form. Foxes. Understood, children? Lens, lenses. Class, classes. Brush, brushes. Watch, watches. Fox, foxes. Rule 3. If a noun ends with consonant and a Y, then we drop the letter Y and we add IES. For example, body. Body ends with the letter Y. So here we have to add IES to make it plural forms. We have to drop Y. Bodies. Body is a singular, bodies plural. Rule 4. If a noun ends with the vowel and Y, then we just add S at the end. For example, monkey. One monkey, many monkeys. The word monkey ends with Y. Before that letter there is vowel sound letter E. So therefore we change it to plural form, that is monkeys. We should not drop the letter Y, but we simply add the letter S to make it plural forms. Rule 5. If a noun ends with F, then we drop the letter F and add VES. For example, shelf. One shelf, so many shelves. The word ends with the letter F. To make its plural form, we drop the letter F and we write VES to make it plural form. Shelf, shelves. Children, rule 6 is exception to rule 5. There are some nouns that end with a F. To make it plural, we do not drop the letter F, but we add S. Example, chef. The word chef ends with the letter F. But make it in a plural form is simply write yes to make it. It's a plural form. Chefs. Understood, children? Let's see some more examples in your English grammar book. See some more about singular and plural nouns in your English grammar book. Open your English grammar. English. The singular and plural forms, page number 9. Open page number 9. Page number 9. The singular and plural forms. We already learned about singular and plural forms. The noun is said to be singular when we speak or write of any one thing. The noun is said to be plural when we speak or write of two or more things. Plurals are formed by adding yes to the singular. Example, leg, legs, hat, hats. Means by adding s, it will make plural form. By adding es to the singular forms of nouns ending in a o, s, sh, ch or x as a, for example, potato, potatoes, bench, benches, gas, gases, box, boxes, brush, brushes, glass, glasses. Children, already I have explained about this. However, a few nouns that end in o form plural by adding yes. For an example, piano, pianos, kilo, kilos. See children, write the plural of the following. Here they have given singular, you have to write it in a plural form. Girl, girls. Bunch, we have to write bunches because it's end with a CH. BUNCHES. Bunches. Remaining this homework for you children. Next, by changing Y to I and adding ES to nouns that end in a Y. For example, lady, ladies. Baby, babies. See children. Lady end with a Y. So, to make it plural form, we have to add ES. Lady, ladies. Baby, babies. However, for nouns that have a vowel before the Y, only S is added. For example, key, keys. Toy, toys. E is a vowel. For nouns that have a vowel before Y, we have to add S to make it plural form. Key, keys. Toy, toys. Understood children? Open page number 10. Give the plural forms of the following. Puppy. Puppy ends with a Y. So we have to add ES. Puppies. Chimney. See children, before Y is a vowel. So we have to add only yes to make it plural. Chimneys. Day, days, because A is a vowel. Party, parties. Remaining these two homework for you children. By changing F and FE to V and adding ES to the nouns ending in a F or a FE. Children, by changing F and FE to V and adding ES to the nouns ending in a F or FE. If F and FE is there, means we have to add V and ES to make it plural. For example, leaf, leaves, knife, knives. Understood children? If end with a F, we have to add VES. We have to drop F and we have to add VES to make it plural form. Write the plurals of the following. Calf, calves. CALVES. We have to drop letter F and we have to add VES. Calf, calves. Loaf, loaves. LOAVES. Loaf, loaves. We have to add VES to make it plural form. Remaining this homework for you children. Next, fill in the blanks with the plural form of the nouns given in the brackets. You have to fill in the blanks with the plural form of the given noun. Book, books. Bag, bags. Put your books. We have to add S. Put your books in your bags. And wait for the bell. All the dash should be kept neat and tidy. Bench. Bench end with a CH. So we have to add ES. Benches. Her dash always look pretty. Her dresses always look pretty. DRESSES. Her dresses always look pretty. Understood children? Remaining these are homework for you.